As an IT YouTuber, I don't only create best certification videos, career advice, and certification reviews. I actually do tech tutorials as well, not just boring slides. I do both whiteboarding and the actual lab demonstrations. I already did Cisco ACI, web hacking, Python network automation, F5 big IP, web application firewall, and many more. Now, what's next? I decided something. This is quite new to me. Our upcoming tutorials is neither Python nor Cisco F5 etc. This is something fresh. Welcome to 3D, the dopest decisions. These are the decisions I made just recently. And for those who are new to this channel, welcome. I am your host. Name is Dean Armada, and I'm the Cloud and Data Center. Rockstar! And on this channel, we talk about tech careers and certifications, trivia and tutorials in cybersecurity, trivia and tutorials in cloud and data center, and my journey as an IT instructor. So feel free to check out the rest of the channel and consider subscribing. I mentioned from my previous vlog that I'm currently preparing for CompTIA Security Plus and CompTIA Pentest Plus. And one more, F5303 ASM Specialist. But that will be delayed a little. Why? Alright, one of my recently published video is a certification review because I just passed AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. So, I challenged myself to do it 10-day preparation. Yes, only 10-day learning. And what do you know? I started loving AWS. And prior to that, I only had quite minimal experience using the cloud. But that was more on Google Cloud using GKE or Google Kubernetes Engine. I was doing Kubernetes and I actually passed CKA or Certified Kubernetes Administrator. And CKA, probably the most popular and well-known Kubernetes certification. It's just recently that I started working and practicing AWS, Amazon Web Services. And why? Because my company is in the process of becoming an AWS certified partner. And these certifications obviously are a requirement. Alright, AWS as a company is very supportive. They help community by encouraging younger generation to learn IT, learn cloud technologies, and they also support especially their partners, and they treat their clients really well. They're also very active in promotions and marketing. They provide lots of benefits, such as exam vouchers, free training, marketing funds, special invites, and many more. In the next few weeks, expect me to do more AWS cloud related tutorials. We can talk about the basics of EC2, basics of VPC or Virtual Private Cloud, basics of S3, but what I really want to talk about in more detail with diagrams and whiteboard and lab demonstration is ELB or Elastic Load Balancer. Here are the reasons why. First, I love F5. Yes, F5 big IP, the application delivery controller. And the knowledge I have in F5, I will just simply translate it to AWS ELB. Second, in ELB, we associate many things. ELB connects to VPCs. It connects to security groups. It connects to target instances. And the coolest part is it enables auto scaling. Really works well with ELB, where it monitors your application and adjusts the capacity to maintain steady, predictable performance. In short, it automatically creates or removes the number of EC2 instances based on real-time demand patterns. It simply adds more servers to the target group so that your application can handle more requests. In the background, the load balancer will just redirect more traffic to those newly added servers. So, I have to work and complete some AWS certifications. I am done with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Now I am preparing for AWS Solutions Architect Associate. Then I will do FI303 and CompTIA Security Plus. And maybe I will take AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty and AWS Certified Security Specialty as well. Am I really going for 7 certifications this year? Well, if it helps you build your career, gives you more knowledge, and inspire you as well, why not? What do you think? Is it time for network engineers to be more knowledgeable in cloud in AWS? Or should we stick to on-premise data center technologies?